You ever heard that saying, when life gives you lemons, make some lemonade? Well, that's what I've been doing over and over again. Now I want to share it with you. I'm Wendy Ida, best-selling author, lifestyle coach, and fitness expert. And it all started with this book, Take Back Your Life. Follow up, Take Back Your Life Action Guide, and Habits of Success. Now it's all about Unbreak Me. These are life-changing methods to help you push beyond fear, gain resilience, and reclaim your strength. You'll get rid of those pity parties, find your truth, and you'll soar to the mountaintop of your dreams. I am giving it away on November 8th, 9th, and 10th for the low price of $3.99 for Kindle and $14.99 for Paperback. It's all good and so many other bonuses, so stay tuned.